If you're encountering an account on hold message on Disney Plus, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review your subscription status. In account settings, check your subscription status. Make sure your subscription is active and that there are no pending payments or issues that could cause your account to be on hold. Step 3. Contact customer support. If your payment method and subscription status are fine, reach out to Disney Plus customer support. Use the help section on their website or app to find the best way to contact them, whether through chat, email, or phone. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes technical issues can cause account problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies or the app's data on your device. Then, log back into your account to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Restart your device. Finally, restart the device you are using to access Disney Plus. This can help refresh the app and resolve any temporary glitches that may be causing the account on hold message. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account on hold issue quickly. If problems continue, keep in touch with customer support for further assistance.